guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rishita.
Hi.
So you guys already know that I have started this series which is known as Makeover of my YouTuber friends. So she's here, so I did this makeup look on her and I think I look prettier than my own makeup, so I love it and I really love it. I love her makeup skills, so I always admire her makeup skills. लेकिन मैं हर वक्त, क्योंकि मैं एक MUA हूँ, तो मैं हर वक्त सबका मेकअप करती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा मेकअप कोई इतना अच्छा तरीके से, कोई इतना प्रोफेशनल तरीके से आज तक नहीं किया है. सो आई एम रियली इम्प्रेस्ड बाय हर स्किल्स एंड आई एम ऑलवेज इम्प्रेस्ड बाय हर स्किल्स. लेकिन आज तो मैं फैन हो चुकी हूँ. Look at my glow, look at my eye makeup and look at my everything, and I love my lashes for the first time. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम लाइफ में अपनी जिंदगी में ऐसे लैशेस लगाई हूँ and I'm so happy and I'm really excited for her series. Congratulations for your 10k subscribers.
Thank you.
I'm really happy for her, really happy for her, and yeah, congratulations.
थैंक यू. तो अगर आपको देखना है ये वीडियो, ये मेकअप लुक मैंने कैसे किया, तो प्लीज कीप ऑन वॉचिंग.
So as primer I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. For foundation I'm mixing two foundations. One is from Wet n Wild and the other one is from L'Oreal Infallible. Now I'm just spot concealing her face with the PAK Studio Derma Concealer. And I'm blending it with the PAK Beauty Blender. I will mention all the details of the shades and the products down in my description box below, so make sure you check it out. Now highlighting her under eyes with the KRYOLAN Supra Color Base in the shade FS22, and this is perfect for her highlighting concealer. And if you're someone with her skin tone, then FS22 from KRYOLAN will be perfect for your highlighting concealer. After blending the concealer, I'm just baking her under eyes with the Makeup Revolution loose powder in the shade Banana. Now I'm contouring and bronzing up her face with the NYX Contour and Highlighter Pro palette. And here I'm using the Forever 21 makeup brush. Now bronzing up her forehead with the PAK 261 brush. Baking under her contour. Now here I'm just contouring her nose. For blush, I went with the pink shade from the NYX Sweet Chicks blusher palette, and for brush I'm using the PAK 306 stippling brush. Now I'm dusting off the bake and blending it all over her face. Now I'm setting her face with the PAK setting spray. And now I'm highlighting her face with the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Plus I mixed with my Makeup Revolution highlighter palette shade 4th from top. And she loved her highlighter, guys. Look at her face. She looks so pretty. And now I'm filling in her brows with the Benefit Ka Brow. And to be very honest, this was my most difficult part because she never does her brows. So now jumping on to the eye makeup, I used the Morphe 39A Day to Create palette, and first I took the shade Vivid and Vibrant on her crease with my MAC 217 brush. Then I took the shade Define Me on my PAC 393 brush. I just blended out her crease so that there is no harsh lines. Now with the shade Evolve, I'm defining her crease. Now taking the same KRYOLAN concealer, I'm cutting her inner crease. Now taking the mixture of Cat Eye and Vibrant, I am applying that on her outer corners of the eye. And again going back with the MAC 217 brush, I'm blending out her crease. Here I'm just intensifying the outer corner. Applying the same crease shades on her lower lash line. First I'm using the mixture of Vibrant and Vivid. And now I'm applying the shade Evolve. And for her eyelids, I went with the glitter, and it's from SHYSTYLE X Glitter Galaxy palette. I used the second shade from the second row. Now applying Plum Kajal on her waterline. And applying Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And for falsies, I went with Kingdom of Lashes Princess. Now highlighting her inner corners and her brow bone with the same highlighter combo. And for lipstick, we went for MAC Ruby Woo.
So guys, I hope you like this makeup look on her. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो like, share and subscribe, and I will leave her link in my description box below, so make sure you check